Hello there. So today I wanted to add a plugin to my website, and then I went to plugins here, and then I wasn't being given the option of adding a new plugin, and so I was stuck at that. I couldn't be able to add a new plugin, and then I've been researching on how to go around the problem, and let's see if I found the solution. So you want to go to your either cPanel or FTP client. You can use FileZilla or Windows CP. And then once you go to your the backend, you'll be able to go to where your website is, whether you're using the cPanel or you're using the FileZilla to access this. For my case, I'm using an online platform called ftpweb.net. So I want to access where my website is. I'll go to home. I have several websites here. So this is the website that is having an issue. Then I go to public HTML. Then I want to look for wp config file, wp-config.php. I want to click on this, and then I want to say edit. So I want to scroll down and look for the rights that I have for this site, and this is a specific thing that I'm looking for: disallow file edit. So this is the core reason as to why I'm not able to edit my site or add a plugin. So I want to put this as false. Same to this case. And then I want to save that. So once that change has been made, I want to go back to my site, and then I want to refresh and see whether I'll be able to add a new plugin. So here we are, and boom, I have the option of adding a new plugin. So that's how you sort out the issue of plugin not showing. So thank you so much.